What's up guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Today in this video we'll be talking about hidden features, tips and tricks of OxygenOS 16.0.1 Fit OnePlus 15. Most of the features you can also find on other devices running OxygenOS 16, but there are few things which are currently can only be found on OnePlus 15. So first we'll talk about those features, and after that we'll talk about tips and tricks, hidden features of OxygenOS 16.0.1. But before moving ahead guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have my OnePlus 15. First of all, let me show you the software information. Currently OnePlus 15 and OnePlus 13 series is running OxygenOS 16.0.1 based on Android 16, which you can see here. And this is the latest build from OnePlus having November security patch. One new thing what you'll see on OnePlus 15, and that's called motion cues. Basically it's a feature for people who have motion sickness and who finds themselves uncomfortable while sitting in a bus, train or even car. So here you can see a preview. This is how these tiny dots will move depending on the vehicle motion. They'll move forward and backward depending on the vehicle's acceleration or deceleration. And then you also have this left and right in response. And if you see the other preview, this is how the blue dots will move if your vehicle is taking turn. After that, next thing is outdoor mode. So basically it's a very useful feature. If you see the description, it says outdoor mode increases your internet speed, provides more accurate location services and improve app stability. You can tap here on the supported app and you can check out the apps which are being supported. And later on, it also enhances the call quality, extend auto screen on time, and it also amplifies the sound, which means the notification and ringtone volume will be automatically set to max. And we have personally tested out this feature even staying at indoor, and we performed the speed test. There was a huge difference in the speed test when we enabled outdoor mode. After that, if you're a gamer, make sure you enable this feature called Game Booster. If this thing is enabled, you'll see faster launch speed of the games. You consider BGMI or any other game. You can see quick settings, launching game faster.
A short break TechieBee family. Today I'm checking out the Agaro's Ultra Oral Irrigator, basically a water flosser. And I'll quickly walk you through how it works and how it feels in daily usage. So the design is very simple and practical. Lightweight, cordless, easy to hold, and it comes with two nozzles. The tank is 200 ml, which is enough for one full cleaning session. Using it is very straightforward. Attach the nozzle, it clicks into place, fill the water tank with normal room temperature water, press the power button and select your mode. Lean slightly forward and move it slowly along your gum lines. You get 4 modes: normal, soft, pulse and custom. I personally use the soft mode because my teeth are a bit sensitive. But if you prefer stronger pressure, normal mode also gives you that.
Also, custom mode lets you set the water pressure exactly how you want. Long press the custom button until the light starts blinking. Adjust the pressure to your comfort level while it's blinking. Release the button and it saves your settings automatically.
So the main thing, how does it feel? See, it cleans between the teeth really well, especially the areas where toothbrush can't reach. If you have small gaps like I do, you'll notice a difference immediately. The pressure is strong but controlled, and soft mode is comfortable even for sensitive teeth. There's a cover charging port at the bottom. A full charge takes around 4 hours, and after that it can easily last around 7 to 10 days. So the battery backup is really solid. Cleaning the product is so simple. Nozzles are washable, the tank can be removed and rinsed, and the body just need dry wipe. But remember few important things guys which you need to keep in mind. One is, do not use hot water, do not press the jet directly into your gums at high pressure, and avoid using it on the damaged or irritated gums. Otherwise, it's very easy to use.
The pricing is 1499 rupees and you also get 1 year warranty.
Overall, it's simple, effective product. If you want deeper cleaning than regular brushing, or if food gets stuck easily between your teeth, this will help you a lot. I've been using it for a few days now and it does make your mouth feel cleaner, and it's definitely worth recommending. Now let's get back to the video.
One feature I'm not sure how OnePlus is going to add, and that's the ability to record audio in the Mindspace application. This feature can be found on the devices like OnePlus 15, OnePlus 13s, and that's because of the support of plus key. So you just have to press and hold the plus key and your audio recording will be saved directly inside the Mindspace application. And once you release the button, summary and other stuff will be created and will be added to the Mindspace application. Also in the Mindspace, now OnePlus 15 comes with some additional features. One of them is you can ask questions directly in the Mindspace application itself. It will also suggest you few questions based on the latest data added inside the Mindspace application. You saw we recorded an audio, so related to audio recording, we have a question present here. Similar way, you can ask anything over here in the Mindspace application. So for example, I'll type OnePlus 15 and now search for it. It will search all the memories present on my device now. And also the integration of Google's Gemini have also been added. So let me show you an example. Kindly extract information related to OnePlus 15 from the Mindspace application. You can see it says connecting to Mindspace, and here Gemini have provided me the data related to OnePlus 15 present in the Mindspace application. Another exclusive feature what you'll see on OnePlus 15 that can be found in the accessibility, vision, and here we have an option called reduce white points. So if you enable this thing, the brightness of the device can go as low as 0.5 nits. So basically this feature reduces the intensity of bright colors, and here you can also make the adjustments. After that, there's another thing which OnePlus have added with OxygenOS 16 on almost all the OnePlus devices, but for some reason it is not working. So guys, if it is not working, I mean the live scores feature, so just wait for few more updates. OnePlus will slowly optimize this thing, and you should also be able to see the live scores in the live capsule. On all my devices like OnePlus 13, OnePlus 15, I'm able to get the live scores based on the teams which I have selected. If you guys are not aware how to set it up, just open live alerts, scroll down, and here you'll see an option of sports from Google. Tapping on it, you need to tap sports from Google settings, and from here you can follow your favorite team. Whenever they do have matches, the match will be automatically updated in the live alert. And now live alert also supports multiple applications, even apps like YouTube, YouTube Music, Amazon Prime Music, and more. Also inside settings, if you go to system and update, system navigation, and if you scroll down, you'll see an option called swipe animation, which is in beta stage. So basically this is kind of predictive gesture if this thing is enabled, and whenever you swipe back, you'll see the secondary application present behind the application which you have opened. If you want, you can disable it and you can get back the normal swipe gesture. After that, OnePlus have also added a new feature under mobile network, and that's called Smart Link Network Engine. Basically it will show you all the optimizations like 43 times browsing lag have been optimized, 33 minutes browsing lag time reduced, 0 minutes gaming lag time reduced, and missed call preventions are also 0. So this is something which is very useful, and you get to see how much optimizations happened in the background. After that, in the smart sidebar, we have got this new slide gesture using which you can increase or decrease the size of smart sidebar. And guys, one more thing, many users are not getting the features like the AI speak or AI summary. So those AI features can be found in the show more section. Initially even I wasn't able to find out because I was searching AI speak and other things, but you just have to tap on this show more icon and all the things will be extracted from that particular folder, and then you can directly access things like AI speak, AI summary, screen translation. OnePlus have also added some AI features which can be found in the gallery application. For example, tapping on edit, AI editor, there are things like AI relight, which will enhance the photo and reduce shadows from your particular picture, and it really works well. You can see device have automatically reduced the shadow, and this is the difference if I compare it before and after. After that, you have things like AI perfect shot. So here device will analyze the entire gallery and check out similar faces. Depending on similar face, it will provide you the expression. So here I do have some photos present inside the gallery, and there you can see the AI have provided me the expressions from those other photos present inside the gallery. And if you are a video editor, you can edit on the go. OnePlus have given a dedicated video editing tool inside the gallery application, which lets you add music, text, set cover photo, can disable or enable original sound, and many more things have been added. Also, it supports 4K 120 FPS video export. So a great add-on for people who does editing on their mobiles. And one thing which I forgot to mention, that's related to the AI write feature. So AI write feature used to appear in the smart sidebar if we open any application, like Gmail and all. But now that AI writer feature have been implemented in a different way. So if you go to settings, here we have an AI section, which includes things like AI search and the AI writer feature. And tapping on it, currently it supports limited application for the smart suggestion. So these are the applications which are supported. First of all, if I go to Twitter now, if I tap here, tap on post, you can see AI writer pops up. So if I write anything and then tap on AI writer, now AI will provide you a proper sentence, and you can change the tone to casual, artistic, professional, and few more options are also there. And if you want, you can also adjust things like length of the text generation, how many emojis to be added, and later on you can also add a theme or adjustment request. So let's hope in future we get the support of more applications. After that, now OnePlus have also added AI search feature even in the settings. So if you tap here in the search bar, and let's take an example like eye pain or eye protection, and if I tap on find more with AI search related to eye protection, it will give me all the options. Or even if I type, my eyes are hurting. You can see based on what I have typed, AI have provided me all the settings which I can change. Also now we have the advanced gaming mode on OxygenOS 16.0.1, which lets you select between power saving, balance and pro gamer. And when you select pro gamer, you have the option to select frame rate, touch controls can be set to ultra touch, network can be enhanced. You also get things like bypass charging, and one feature which I always use while playing BGMI, that's the footstep sound booster. And guys, in games like BGMI, it actually makes a lot of difference. Now with OnePlus 15, I never had any kind of issues finding enemy locations, or you can say movement. OnePlus 15 comes with the OnePlus stock dialer, and here also there are some AI features being added. So here you can see we have a feature called AI Call Assistant. Tapping on it, you get two options, either to summarize or to translate the call. And from here you can see the translation. For example, if you're not able to understand the language what other user is speaking, translate feature can be really useful. After that, you have an option to create a summary of the entire conversation. And another good part with OxygenOS 16 is now you can customize the home screen, change third-party app size. So this is how my setup looks. I have those applications which I use a lot, and if I want, I can increase or decrease the size, either horizontal way, vertical, or a square shape. And the good part is OnePlus also provides you the option to add shortcuts. You can see these plus icons using which I can add the shortcut for, like, I have a Telegram group, I can add that group over here. So tapping on it, it will open up that particular group. It's not only with the third-party application, even with the stock applications, you can add the shortcuts. Also with this latest update of OxygenOS 16.0.1, you can stack the third-party widgets in both the shapes, either the square one or these 4x2 shaped widgets, where you can add stock widgets along with third-party widgets. And for the home screen customization, you can also enable things like auto dark icon. So if this thing is enabled, and if you turn on dark mode, the third-party widgets or the applications which you have set on the home screen will also adapt to the dark mode. There are few applications like Mindspace doesn't adapt completely, and even apps like YouTube Creator Studio. Now finally, OnePlus do provides you the option to customize the control center, where you also have option to remove things like media player, brightness and volume. And all these widgets now will automatically change the shape if you drag and drop in the top region where you have these lines. You can see we dragged the dark mode and that has changed the shape. Also, if you tap on these three dots, go to customize quick settings, you have a new option called tile color. So if you set multicolor, this is how the control center will look with different color options. And if you set follow system, now the control center will follow the system color. On OnePlus 15, you will find this different option under the lock screen settings, which is fingerprint and notification layout, which can be set to standalone or overlap. Because OnePlus 15 fingerprint icon is towards the top side, so if you choose standalone, then the notification will only appear above the fingerprint sensor. But if you choose the overlap, the fingerprint icon will overlap the notifications. That's due to the placement of fingerprint scanner. So customization part, most of you guys are already aware. I'll just highlight few things so you get these live clock styles, which really looks great on the lock screen. After that, you can also add custom text now on your OnePlus smartphones. Tapping on text, you have the option to change the text, or else if you want, you can generate text using AI, and depending on the wallpaper present, AI will automatically generate the text. You do have font options, and now you can also add widgets on the lock screen, which wasn't possible before. Along with that, now OnePlus have given option to resize the clock styles, which wasn't possible before on OxygenOS 16, but it's possible with 16.0.1. So currently you can see this is how you can resize the clock styles. Inside almost all the themes, you do have this option to change the clock styles. And after that, we have also got the full screen always on display, which can now also be set for the entire day, which wasn't possible initially, but with 16.0.1 they have given this option. Then in the app drawer, the search bar have been moved towards the bottom side, and if you slide towards the right hand side, we have the category section also. Under display and brightness, you get this eye care feature, which can automatically adjust the colors based on the environmental changes. Also, you do get things like adaptive tone. Here the color temperatures will be automatically adjusted based on the ambient lighting condition. Then under battery, we have similar stuff, like balance mode, power saving, high performance mode. Under battery saving, you have this automatically exit power saving mode, automatically enter power saving mode. OnePlus 15 also gets the support of 165Hz refresh rate, and currently with specific games like Call of Duty do have the support of 165 FPS. Overall, OnePlus 15 with the combination of OxygenOS 16 really shines when it comes to animations and performance part. How many of you guys have purchased OnePlus 15? Let us know in the comment section below. So guys, these are all the features which you guys need to know if you are planning to buy OnePlus 15 or if you are new to OxygenOS. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.